To make this bracelet you can use a variety of different materials: nylon cord, hemp cord, waxed cotton cord, cotton yarn or even string. Basically whatever you have available, just get creative. To measure your cord, you want to wrap it around your wrist loosely for the amount of time you want it to wrap when it's finished, plus an extra 2 for the tie-on ends. So once you've done that, you want to add your beads. Now I'm going to use a needle to thread on my beads because I've doubled mine up because my beads are large, but depending on the size of your beads and the thickness of your cords, you may or may not need to do this. So you just want to take your beads and then thread them on. I like to thread them all on at the beginning and then I don't have to do it and break off each time as I'm going along. But again, you can do it as you go along if you prefer. So once you've added as many beads as you think you're going to need, you can just tie a temporary knot at the end just so your beads don't fall off. And then you're ready to start making your bracelet. So if you threaded with a needle like I did, you can at this point remove it. So I'm just going to pull this bit out here, take some scissors and just cut there. I can remove the needle. So I want to start off with a knot. And then I want to pull out a little bit for my tail end. And this is the bit you're going to tie on the bracelet with afterwards. And then do another knot. And then I want to take my first bead and I want to bring it up to where that second knot is. And then I want to leave a little bit of a gap, so I want it to be slightly loose. I just want to tie another knot. And once you've added your first bead and done your knot, you can pull up your next bead and you just want to do the same thing again. Just making sure that the knot is after the bead. And then just keep repeating this until you've worked all your beads with a knot after them. So once you've done your last bead, you want to again pull out enough so that you can do your tie-on end and then tie your last knot. And then you can trim off any excess. And that is your completed string wrap bead bracelet.